This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
Data analysis tool pack is there. Okay, we can use that data analysis tool pack also. Okay, so what we'll do is data analysis. Okay, in this data analysis tool pack, we are going to see two things. Okay, one is the descriptive statistics. So we will go to the descriptive statistics and we will automatically generate that. So this, where is our data? This is our data. Okay. So remember, data is grouped by column. We don't have a label since we did not select from the second one. So we have an output range. I want the output range. Let's say I want the data to come, the output to come here. Okay, so let's say output to come here. And you may want to have the summary statistics. Let's say kth largest, kth smallest. What kth largest you want? Let's say you want the 5th largest, you want the 7th smallest. Okay, which we computed that time, and we press OK. So it does some calculation and it gives you everything. Okay, mean 84.85, 84.85, standard error, median, mode, standard deviation. Okay, so mode was 105. Okay, standard deviation, sample variance, curtosis, skewness. Okay, range, minimum, maximum, sum, count, largest, 5th largest, 7th smallest. So 5th largest was 105, 7th smallest was 62. 7th smallest is 62. So rather than computing manually, you can take the help of data analysis, descriptive statistics. In one shot, you will be able to get it. Okay. Then we also want data analysis, okay, not for descriptive statistics, but for rank and percentile. Okay, so we'll say rank and percentile. Okay, so this is our data set. Okay, output range we will select. Okay, we want to get it here, and we say OK. Okay, and it will do the calculation, and you see it is given you point number 1 because 250 was in the first location. So point number 1, 250. Okay, we can just I'll just take the screenshot, and then we'll see. Okay, then comparison will be better. See here, this 250 was the first point, its rank is 1. Okay, 150 was the 14th number. So this count, you can see this was the 14th number. So this 14th number 152, its rank is 2. Okay, and it is giving the percentile of the people below. So this is inclusive, not exclusive. So the percentile is all considered the inclusive values. Okay, so you can get the rank, you can get the percentile directly using the data analysis tool pack. Okay, rank and percentile, right? So this week's assignment, if you see, okay, assignment is simple. You have the data set is given. You have to compute the number of points, average value, median, mode, all the things which we have discussed. Okay, right? And then in the case of percentile ranking, descending, ascending, all the things you will have. Okay. Then you have to compute using the descriptive statistics using the analysis tool pack, rank percentile using the analysis tool pack, and lastly you have to compute the multiple modes using the mode.multiple formula. Okay, so this is very, very simple because we have like holidays are coming, we don't have much. So it's very simple that you can compute all these things. Okay.
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.